Here we go, mysterious earbud right there, but before to reveal which model they are, I'm going to let you know that there is another one that is not this one, that is very famous to use with your VR headset, especially the Quest 3, which you can see right now on the screen. I've tried them, but unfortunately I was very unhappy with them. Tons of issues, no sound with the Quest 3, microphone, very horrible quality, etc, etc. Anyway, I'm not here to talk badly about the other brand. I just wanted to show you this brand, which in my opinion, it's much better for the Quest 3. Which model it is? Of course, it's the PRISMXR Vega T1 earbud. Here we go. Those are perfect actually for the Quest 3, and after my testing, they are very compatible with the Quest 3 with no issue. For now, let's see what's in the box, let's see what you get when you buy those earbuds. It's right now. Like I said, after having tons of problems with the other brand, I was looking around looking for another kind of earbud that I can use with my Quest 3 without issue. And it was difficult to find those for some reason. They are not well known. They come from PRISMXR, that's the brand, and the model it's the Vega T1. And well, they were supposedly good. But for now, without further ado, let's open the box and see, whoops, what you have inside. Oh, upside down. And reveal time. Ta-da! Top of the box here, we have a few things already. So those are the ear adapter. It's like some silicone, soft silicone here inside ear adapter that you can put on your earbud depending on the size of your ears. They give you 2 of the small and 2 of the big, and of course already installed on the earbud are the medium one. So we have small, medium, big ears adapter. Now about the earbud, we have the left one here and the right one here, and here is the dongle that you plug in your VR headset on the USB-C port to be able to stream the sound from the headset to the earbud. So that's the adapter. I believe it works with the Wi-Fi band. It's not Bluetooth, because Bluetooth you will have some latency. Those ones have no latency because of this dongle that communicates with the earbud directly with some Wi-Fi connection. No lag, perfect with the dongle, but you can also connect. There are also Bluetooth, you can connect without the dongle. You can connect those to your phone, for instance, if you prefer, if you want to use those with your phone or any other Bluetooth device, then you can use those earbuds as well. But of course, be careful. Like I said, with any Bluetooth devices, you have some lag to keep in consideration. But let's see what they look like. Pulling out the left one. Here we go, left one. And now the right one. And now the dongle. There we go. Next in the box, we do have the user manual. And then, of course, that's one of the reasons I like those. It's that they come with the charging dock or charging case. Of course, the other brand also came with the charging case, which is great. If you want something that works good with your headset, you also want an easy way to store them and recharge them, and that comes with the charging case, which looks very nice, all black. No fingerprint magnet because it's a matte finish, it's not a shiny finish, which is good. You have the logo on the top there, which is protected by plastic that I'm going to peel now. Here we go, all nice and shiny. Logo. Now if we open the case, hop, that's how it looks like inside. On the cover there, it gives you some specification, in case if you're interested. And here we have the compartment to store the earbuds. The right goes here and the left goes here. And here is the compartment to store the dongle. And as soon as we close or open the charging dock, here we go, you have like a blue light that turns on. Of course, it turns off immediately because there is nothing inside to charge. But once everything will be inside, then this light will probably give you some charging status to let you know what's going on and if everything is charged or it's currently charging. Anyway, that was for the case. Let's see what else is in the box, since we are in the box still. we do have, let's finish here, we do have a little accessory box here. I like how everything is cardboard box now these days, so everything is recyclable, very easily recyclable, while looking nicely as well. So I like this presentation on the box on new product that you have these days. As for the little box, I can see already it's, here we go. It's a cable USB-C to USB-C, but it comes with an adapter in case if you don't have a USB-C power block, which is USB, normal USB to USB-C. That's all for that. That's all for the box. So charging cable, but no charging block. So we have the cable, the charging dock, the left and right earbuds, the dongle, and the user manual with a thank you card. But no power block, so you have to provide your own. Any phone charging block will do just fine. But keep in mind, this set does not come with one. On the thank you card from PRISMXR company, on the back here you have a way to contact them, of course, in case if you have any issue. But here you have a QR code that you can scan to get the PRISMXR application, where you have more setting available. You can have an equalizer and other way to set up your earbud more precisely, and you can even remap all the touch buttons. For instance, those are touch sensitive, so you have to touch to raise the volume or lower the volume or do the next sound, etc. But if you want to customize this touch, longer touch or single touch, you can do that in the app as well. So that's good to know and good to keep in mind. Now let's have a closer look to the earbuds. So here they are. They look very nice with the brand over there, with the logo. They are grayish, gray and black. That's the ear adapter, silicone ear adapter, the speaker here inside, and the connector for recharging. And here, on both of them, that's the left one, we have a L letter. Between the two connector, recharging connector, you have a L, and here you have a R that lets you know which one is which, or which one goes where. So they are very small, very lightweight, and like I said already, from my testing, they have very great sound quality as well. So they are very good, great for their size. And then there, as for the dongle, here is the dongle, very small as well compared to my hands. USB-C dongle that connects on the side of your headset, and that will be a pass-through charging while you use those earbuds with the dongle. That's also very useful, that you can recharge the headset while using those earbuds along with the dongle. Keep in mind though that this only supports charging power, no data transmission, so you cannot use your link cable while you have that installed on your VR headset. So it's a little bit shame, because then you cannot use that with your PC as is. But the other solution will be to connect this to your PC if you have a USB port in your PC, and then you will be able to use this dongle with the earbuds on your PC while using your VR headset. That's something else to keep in mind. But otherwise, as a portable system, this dongle and the earbud as is with the headset works perfectly. As for the dock itself, in the back we do have the USB-C port to recharge it, of course. On the side here there is a button, and on the front the LED, the blue LED light, which turn blue when we open or close the dock, like so. And you will notice that it will start blinking. Here we go. Because doing so, it enters in pairing mode, in Bluetooth pairing mode. So if you want to pair those earbuds with any Bluetooth devices, you do exactly that. You put them in a charging dock, you open the box, and then when you see this LED blinking fast, you search for them on your phone or your tablet or any other devices where you want to pair them with, and you pair them, and then the light will be fixed blue. But for now, it's still looking for a Bluetooth device. I'm not going to pair them with any Bluetooth device for now. I'm just going to use them with my VR headset. But here we go. All nicely put in the charging dock. Up, as you can see, earbud here on the top and the dongle in the bottom. Everything fit nicely. But anyway, thanks for watching this little video about those PRISMXR Vega T1 earbuds that you can use with your Quest 3 without any problem. If you prefer those instead of the sound that comes directly from the Quest 3, those are the best choice compared to the other one, like I said, that I tested and turned out to be not so good. There are a lot sponsor, I don't know why. You see a lot of sponsor video about those other brands on YouTube, but you don't see enough about those one, which in my opinion works much better and I will definitely recommend. Thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.